The My Loan section of the mobile app is your direct link to your loan details. If you have not gone through the loan application process through the app or with the loan officer, you can start that application from here. Once your loan officer has started the loan, you will begin to see details of that loan from this page. Items such as your loan number, the type of loan you will have, and so on may be viewed here. You also have real-time access to your loan progress, also referred to as milestones. If you would like to see the complete milestone timeline, tap in this section. From here, you will see the complete milestone list. When an item is completed, there will be a checkbox next to that milestone. The item that is circled indicates the milestone that is currently being worked on. Any remaining items are steps that are yet to come. The last section we'd like to show you here is the list of requested docs that your loan officer will need you to provide. Through your mobile app, you can upload documents directly from your phone, or use the built-in camera to clearly scan documents and securely upload them to your loan officer.